presenting a pre-owned 2014 Volvo XC60. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.0-liter i6 engine with all-wheel drive and a six-speed shiftable O transmission. This Volvo has less than 85,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include climate package, technology package, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, roof rails, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and heated front seats.